Hello everyone. So I recently launched a new program with my Telegram community, and I just thought, why not have it out there for people who might be interested in, I don't know, scaling their capital or trading or whatever it has to do with the financial markets. So as you can see on my screen, it's simply a 90 days trading journey transformation or trading transformation journey where I'm looking forward to taking people from beginner to funded. Yeah, because I do interact with the members of my Telegram community, and most of them usually ask me questions around, bro, how do you make it so easy? How do you make it look so easy and stuff? And how is it? How can I get funded? Questions around that topic of funding. So I'm simply looking to help people either get funding or get funded. And when I say funded, I'm referring to proprietary capital, prop firms, and stuff. And also, I'm also looking to help people scale their capital. Okay, I'm also looking to help people scale their capital. Now, what drove me to make such a decision? Now, if you look at these second textbooks that I have here, the first reason obviously is the disgust with the misinformation around trading in the Kenyan online space. Um, this is something so common. I've interacted with trading content online. I've come across people critiquing traders, more so proprietary traders or prop traders, people who trade prop accounts like Funding Pips, Funded Next, Alpha Capital, Atlas Funded. And I've come across people critiquing forex traders as a whole, and this is just because of the few lot who misrepresent forex trading or trading the financial markets. Yeah. And as a result, people, more so beginners, struggle to get real information around the financial markets. This is a struggle that is real, where it has come to a point where, as a beginner, if you're scammed or ukioshwa, you're literally told that is a rite of passage into trading forex. So such things actually bore the shit out of me, but at least I'm taking a step against it. Yeah. So my aim is to provide free information around trading on TikTok and YouTube because I'm looking to build a larger audience. I mean, I already have an audience of 300 people, which is more than enough for me on my Telegram community. But then, just like there's always a desire to scale your capital, I'm also looking to grow my audience. And my trading is usually focused on market structure, order flow, and liquidity concepts. I don't trade anything fancy, ICT, SMC, whatever, all that stuff. I trade something pretty simple, and I have an edge in the market around that. And I only focus on gold and the USDJPY. Gold being my primary instrument, and USDJPY being my secondary, where I only take swing trade ideas. Now, one might ask, who am I and what makes me feel qualified to start such a program? Um, my name's Roland, pretty simple. And if you take a look at the certificates that I have here, this is just to highlight what trading actually looks like. It's not a bed of roses, and if it were, roses also have thorns, yeah? So, um, I got funded with Atlas Funded back in 2025. This is when I started actually seeing results, the results of my work, as people usually say. And after getting funded at this step, I had my payout rejected, which was my first ever payout request with this particular firm. Could lead someone to thinking that this thing is actually a scam, but then I actually learned of my mistake or my fault and actually had my second payout request with them approved. Now, it wasn't much if you look at it in terms of the dollar aspect, but once you convert it to Kenyan shillings, you realize it's actually more than someone's monthly wage because this was around 19,000 Kenyan shillings. Not much, once again. Now, other than payouts and passing these evals, because I decided to scale my capital, which is one of my aims with this program. I went for a 5K challenge with a Got Funded Trader and a 10K challenge, which I both passed. This one I passed phase two, this one was a phase one. And another was a 25K with Atlas Funded, which unfortunately I did not receive the certificate because of some reasons. But currently, in terms of evaluations, 30K in phase two and 10K live funded. Yeah. Now, other than that, there's also a dark side to trading that nobody, of very few people talk about, and that is these trading rule breach, losing accounts, the funded accounts. So this was a 5K evaluation with the funding peeps, and I actually failed the evaluation because I blew the account. Blowing accounts, that is a term you'll actually come across several times. So this is just to show you that I do know what I'm talking about. I've experienced both the good and the bad of this industry. And I think I'm qualified enough, but not yet qualified to the level that I want to be at. But I think I'm qualified to actually put this information out there online. Now, after all that, how can you reach me? You can reach me via Telegram, my Telegram community, which is known as Triad Trades. It's a community that I started back in 2024, around March or February, and we're currently doing well. The link is right here, and also you can reach me via my YouTube channel, Roland Maibag. It's right there. So, guys, I hope that if you've been having questions around trading and you've not found a reliable source of information, that you'll actually tune into following my TikTok, whatever TikTok account, yeah, because I'll be dropping gems right there. And the first one I'll actually do today, which will be a recap or an introduction into my one of my entry models around the trade that I had on gold on Friday evening, held it through the weekend, and actually woke up to the trade hitting take profit today. So, other than that, there's nothing much to say, but trading is interesting. I usually tell the very few people who get to interact with me on a monthly basis that trading can either make you or break you. And I'm actually in the process of making myself, or trading making me, to the person I want to become. So I'm looking forward to having most of you, if not all, join me in this journey. And all I can do is just work and hope for the best. So, yeah, that's pretty much it.